Well, hello, YouTube friends and family. It's Frank here, yet again with a quick pop-in. I just wanted to give you guys a shout out, and I want to say thank you for watching the video about us selling our house, and we truly appreciate it. I really wasn't expecting it to get out to so many viewers, but that's absolutely wonderful, and I want to say thank you for all of those who have watched that video, who even support my channel and just watch the videos that I put out about everything that's going on, especially when it comes to home construction. And speaking of that, yes, we are still selling our house. We have two open houses coming up here, one tomorrow, February 8th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then I have another one on February the 10th from 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So there's only 2 hours. So, hey guys, if you're out there, wherever you're from, and you're watching this, and you want a patio villa for us, because you're a snowbird, or you need a vacation home, or just a potential rental property as an investment for whatever reason, hey, this house is going to be a great opportunity for you guys. Our Haven comes with added amenities and extra features that you're not going to find in many others. So if you're out and about and you happen to be in the area, come out tomorrow and on the 10th for an open house. And hey, come check it out. I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. I just wanted to let everybody know about it. And come check out the home. And I'll see you again on the next quick pop-up video. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, yeah. And by the way, I forgot to mention, a lot of people have asked us, hey, you guys are selling your house. Are you moving out of the villages? No, we are not moving out of the villages. We still love it here. All we're simply doing is selling this one, and we're upgrading to another home within the village of Bradford. It's just really, I don't know, a half a mile from here, if that, if it's even that much, only like 2 minutes from this spot to the new house. That's all we're doing. And another thing too, I wanted to mention, if you watch my video about selling our home, there is a link down below in the description. So I know a lot of people don't see that when you look at YouTube and you just see the video up down there. It's not going to show the link, but if you're on your iPhone or your computer or what have you, if you click on that link that's down in the description, it takes you directly to the sales information, how much the house is and who you need to contact and who the person or representative is. That link gives you everything, pictures, the whole 9 yards about the listing. It's down in the description, so you're not going to be able to get to it from just watching YouTube on the television screen, unfortunately. So I just wanted to drop that in, and as always, thanks.